If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Kedu ndị bụ Nigerian Jews? Ọ bụ ndị be anyị ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo Chukwu kelee.
For ever since you found me, I'm blinded by your grace. To the darkness you came, and I'll be alright. With you by my side, I can't escape you, I can't replace you. So don't walk away from me now.
Easy.
I'd say that was the one, right?
That was the one. That last bit was perfect as well. That last bit was perfect.
Everybody gyrate. Oh yeah, everybody gyrate. Gyrate. Yes, so you are listening to Ebona FM 103.5. Come on. 21 weeks the gyration master. Don't touch that dial.
And your legs don't work like they used to before. And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till 70. And baby, your heart could forever love heart 33. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe let that battle behind. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna show you I am. So Mama, take me into your lovely arms. Kiss me like feather right from the thousand stars. Put your hands on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't say strings the same.
That's right, you're still tuned to Ebona at the 103.5 FM. It's been fun hanging out with you on today's transmission at Ebona at the 103.5 FM. Today being the 7th day of October 2024. Today is Monday, and the transmission today, remember that you are responsible for the betterment, for the betterment of your environment, and the characteristics of a great person is measured in the impact they have on people around them. How positively have you impacted the world around you today? You have another chance tomorrow by the grace of God to impact your world. So how positively do you wish to impact the world tomorrow when you wake? By the grace of God, we'll be back tomorrow by 5 o'clock a.m. so to serve you better, to inform, educate, and entertain you. So keep it. Stay tuned to Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Till we meet again, I remain Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze Ezanamba the first. So have a wonderful night rest tonight. I'll see you tomorrow.
Maybe we found love right where we are.
La 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 la.
3.5 Ogidi igwe na-ekwu okwu na-agbasa ụzọ gabaga anya na-enye anyị ihe anyị na-achọ ka anyị nụma na ntị anyị maka na gị na-agị ntị gbogbo ị na-eme mmadụ obi ụtọ nke oyibo na-akpọ entertainment omenala ka ị na-apali elu nke oyibo na-akpọ kọlchọ ihe eji eme ọfụma omenala n'ime obi ụtọ bịa eji mara gị ebe ọ na-adị FM 103.5 Ogidi azụ m na ọdịrọ ịkwa achọ na azụ n'onwe onye redio eji eme ọnụ itu na redio gegide 103.5 Ogidi ebe ọ na-adị FM ka inume ị chọrọ obodo ga-adịkwa oyi na ikegide anyị pawa
Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. Nigerians home and proud to serve our sovereign fatherland. Our flag shall be a symbol that truth and justice reign. In peace or battle honored, and this we count as gain. To hang on to our children a banner without stain. Oh God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed. And so with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed. We full of hearts, we pray and ask. God bless Anambra, God bless the shining light that we give. We're the only ones to make her brighter, the only ones to make her better, the only ones to make Anambra shine. With our sweat and blood, every breath of our lives, with trust in God, we will lift our homeland high. We believe in togetherness, we'll build a land of progress. Lift the spirit of Anambra, lift the spirit of Anambra, lift the spirit of Anambra, states we love.
Joy.
Ebona Kwatsu 103.5 FM. For infotainment we take, entertainment we take, arts and culture we take, sports and news we take. Ebona Kwatsu is the place. Don't touch the dial. 103.5 FM. Afambre Free. This is 103.5 FM. Ebonadi. Don't touch the dial.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Kedu ndị bụ Nigerian Jews? Ọ bụ ndị be anyị ndị